Hi everybody. I am going to have a SylfirmX treatment today to my face. I have a problem with rosacea and telangial vessels to my nose, which are little vascular arteries that I want cleared up. And I also have these little papules that you really can't see that have come onto my face as I got older. So I'm going to have a treatment with our new SylfirmX radio frequency microneedling device, and you will be able to see for yourself what it's like. I've already been numbed, and now my esthetician, Kristen, will do the procedure. So we hope you enjoy. Thank you. I'll go first. I'll talk about a few things as you're working.
Okay.
And let me know when you're on.
Ready? How is that?
Good. Are you on?
I'm recording.
So, what's the difference between SylfirmX and Morpheus 8? Morpheus 8, as I've told you folks before, is a continuous pulsed machine. This is a continuous and dual pulsed apparatus. It has 25 needles that are gold plated and uninsulated. So as a result, we can get a more even pass through the skin and the tissue. That helps with discomfort. It helps with much less downtime, but it also can go to actually smaller, more superficial depths. So you can do eyelids, you can do tear troughs, you can do those areas that the other machines can't let you do to help tighten. Remember, SylfirmX also uses what's called the Na effect that gives you, as I stated, a more uniform pass through the tissue. And because of that, also, you can use this device in the summertime and in all seasons without fear of the sun. It can also be used, which is more versatile, in all color groups, from Caucasians to African Americans, without any fear of causing any hyper or hypopigmentation. It's great for scars. It's great just as a standalone, just to help your face as far as color goes and skin tightening. And as you can see, I'm not at all in a lot of discomfort. And my friend here, Kristen, you really hit me hard, aren't you? I hope so.
I am.
Because I want to get the best treatment I can. We can also use it for hair growth. We can use it on any part of the body. So, Kristen, you do more of these than all of us. What's your experience?
The outcome is amazing. I think this is probably one of my favorite machines to work with, and to just see the progress on our patients, on your patients. It's fantastic.
Yeah, we've had a lot of very good, not just reviews, but a lot of people stating that they've got what they paid for, which is really what you want to hear. And as you can see, we're going to go through my whole face. We're going to hit the areas where I have these little marks, and I have some still photos that I've taken, and I will use them later on after I get some after photos, which will be after probably 3 treatments over 3 months. So stay tuned. So now we're doing the small little vessels, telangiectasias they're called, which is part of rosacea. And we're calming those down. We're shrinking the pores, and we're working to give me a better look where I need it. So as you can see, I'm not in a great deal of discomfort, and these 25 needles are doing their job and going into the area in a very even fashion. That's the trick. Remember, it's better to have a non-insulated needle than an insulated needle, because a non-insulated needle gives you a full pass through the tissue. Insulated needles have more power at the tip, so you get an uneven pass and more downtime on the surface of the skin, and as a result, more pain and redness.
Yep.
So now I'm finishing up the treatment, and what's happening is Kristen is doing around the soft tissue around the eye, including my eyelid, to bring the skin up. You can see that I'm not writhing in pain. It's a little more sensitive, but then the tissue is very thin. So with SylfirmX, we can do eyelids without using eye shields like we used to do years ago with any kind of laser procedure. So this is a very nice treatment if you just want to have your eyes done and not the rest of your face. Obviously it would be cheaper, but it's a very nice treatment for those people who are not ready for a blepharoplasty and want a little bit more firmness around the lid, and it will at some point help you even see better. We also try to lift up the brow by doing this treatment to give you a more youthful look. And like I said, after 3 months, we will put before and after photos up to show you, and possibly do another video. We will see. So Kristen now is applying exosomes. Exosomes are cell signalers, and you can use them in any kind of energy procedure, not just with our Sylfirm device. You can use it with IPL, you can use it with laser. And what's happening is these exosomes that come from the umbilical cord of a newborn, so they're age 0. Now, if I were to get my exosomes out of my blood, my exosomes would be 69 years old. They're a little old. These exosomes are age 0. So what happens is they're healthy, and what they're doing now is signaling my body to send stem cells, platelets, and my body's exosomes to the area of trauma, which is where the procedure was done, to help fortify the result, so we can give a more youthful glow. Exosomes come with all our energy procedures. They're built in to the service, and they obviously come with SylfirmX. We like the company that we're using now because of their FDA approval and the fact that they do come from the umbilical cord. So you can see it's very clear. It looks like water. But these babies are working now to try to heal me, as well as improve my pores and help me have more uniform color and a better look. So we will see you folks later on after our procedures are done in the next 3 months, and we hope you keep in touch with us if you decide to do a Sylfirm treatment. We're at Smooth Solutions Medical Aesthetics, smoothsolutionsmed.com, and our phone number 716-633-6100. Thank you.
Hi everybody. So we're ending Dr. B's treatment of the Sylfirm. We are now going to put on the skin nectar, which is the nectar of the gods, which is what I tell everybody. It's so wonderful on your skin. It helps with repairing. It helps to keep your skin soft. And it's included in your package. So you get that, and you either get sunscreen, or I'm not sure what else is in the package.
Whatever makes sense. for each individual person.
So, whatever your skincare needs are, we will make the package perfect for you.